Good day, everyone, and you're welcome to MCM206 class. My name is Olasukomi Arewolo, and I'm absolutely thrilled to be leading you through this course. This is a course where I've sort of built some momentum, gained some practical experience over the years. So I'll be teaching from a place of theory and practice. And the course title is Manuscript Editing, Layout Design, and Book Publishing. And I'll be doing this alongside my colleague, Dr. Udo Ubert. My background spans in journalism, media practice, and academic research, and I've got a very strong focus on how content is produced, refined, prepared for publication. So in this course, our approach was going to be practical, structured, and completely industry oriented. So you can be sure by at the end of this course, you'll be going on with something you can live with, something you can make money with, something you can make livelihood with. So you should not only understand the concept, but also be able to apply them with absolute confidence. So to get the most out of this course and this class, please ensure that you follow instructions carefully, take part actively, and stay consistent. I would say your engagement would make a massive difference in what your takeaway from this course will be. So your first mission is to get connected, and before we proceed to the next lesson, it is very important that you get things set up so that you can have your learning environment all ready, so you can access all the course materials without delay. So in order to do this, in consultation with your HOC, I'm aware about your needs, your preferences. We've created a Telegram channel where you're reading this from now. And from this particular quick start, you need to visit transitiveclub.com, which is a platform built to make this happen. Select Get Started as a Student. Locate our course, which is fine. You'll find a keyword, manuscript editing. In fact, if you scroll down, you should find it easily. And you'll find a course title there. It is Manuscript Editing, Layout, and Design in book publishing. So the next thing you want to do after clicking that button is to register. So you click on the course and create your account to get started. Then you'll see my welcome notes there. Once you're logged in, check your dashboard and read the welcome notes we have already provided for you. Take some time today to complete this setup. Familiarize yourself with the platform. It will serve as your central hub for independent learning. Yes, I'm going to be live with you on Telegram while I put you through some lessons, point you to resources which are going to do all together live. The additional resource video will be available on my official YouTube channel. If you go on YouTube, you search for at OLAAROWOLO at Olarolo, you'll be able to find that. So you put my first and last name, it will bring that up on YouTube. This will help support your learning experience. Details will be shared as we make progress. I strongly recommend that you stay connected to the channel actively, turn on the notification. Doing so will position you to make the most of this course. Well, again, I'll be sharing practical insight, like I've said, guidance to help you achieve a strong result. So at every point in time, there is a QR code that comes up whenever I'm delivering live lessons. You'll see this QR code and you can ask questions consistently, even outside of the time of work. That question goes into my question pool, which I would reach out from time to time to answer some of them as we make progress on this course. So the more you engage, the clearer your understanding becomes, and the higher your chances of earning A grade as well as applied knowledge. I can assure you that over 80% of this class can excellently pass this course if you do what is right. You just be committed to doing what is right. This is an entirely achievable feat for those who stay committed and intentional. Do your part with the discipline and focus and your learning process. I will do my part to provide you with a structured guidance and to support you where needed. And I also remain open to learning from your perspective. You guys also have some things to teach us, the academia. And your contributions throughout the course will be much more valued. Yeah. And lastly, if you encounter any issue, do not worry. Just take note of them. We'll address them during our next interaction. Let's get started properly. And I'm so excited to work with you all. Looking forward to our first live lesson this week. Thank you and bye.